The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, northern Franklin County in west central Arkansas. Until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. CDT, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Mountainburg, or 12 miles north of Alma, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Fort Smith, Alma, Ozark, Charleston, Van Buren, Mountainburg, Mulberry, Rudy, Dyer, and Winslow. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Issued by National Weather Service, Tulsa, Oklahoma.